This right here is a fire core blade. This right here is going to help you remove your tile, help you remove thin set, glue, laminate flooring with it, adhesives, and also mortar too as well, because it has a great angle on this thing right here. This thing is also 4 inches wide. It's a nice big blade for you with it. The best part is that this is also rust resistant, and this is going to be used with your drill hammer or your rotary hammer with it, because this right here does have an SDS Plus shank built into it too as well. That's easy to go ahead and just slide this thing in with it. Just go ahead and install it all the way. Boom, just like that, and you're off to the races. The best part is this here does have 3 bolts built into it, and it also includes 3 spare belt bolts too as well. Those bolts right there are designed to make sure that the blade does stay in place for you, and also makes the blade also replaceable on the shank as well with it. So it does have that locking bolt mechanism built into it with it. It also helps it from vibrating loose as well. So it's really nice that all 3 of those on there. That's one thing I really like about this blade with it. Besides the upgraded sharp edge, that's going to give you the better angle to go ahead and remove those tiles all the way around with it. Pretty easy to use. It's a great fast way to go ahead and remove the tiles, especially versus the manual way. So this is a great blade right here, especially for DIYers or even the pros out there in the field with it. I highly suggest right here this amazing blade right here by Firecore.